everyone, so today we are back with another informative video, and this time we will let you know the 5 mistakes that could ruin the best Facebook ads. So please stay with us in this video. The main question that everybody should be asking is whether you are wasting money on your ineffective Facebook ads. Here are the 5 main things that you should avoid so that you can get the results from your Facebook ads. The first one is the wrong objective. A clear and measurable objective is important for any campaign to be successful. Choosing the right objective is vital to a successful campaign because it determines your ads results. If you choose the wrong one, you will end up wasting time and money on something that won't deliver the results you really want. Facebook has 6 objectives to choose from. Each objective focuses on the particular goal you have for your campaign. For example, do you want customers to visit website, install your app, buy products from your e-commerce store, or provide contact information? For each of these 3 goals, you must set up or choose a specific Facebook objective. These particular goals would require the app install, product catalog sales, and the lead generation objectives respectively. And the second one is the poor audience targeting. Audience targeting is everything in Facebook ads. Who you show your ads affects the success of your campaign. For example, you wouldn't want to deliver an ad for feminine products to older men whose Facebook activity suggests primarily masculine characteristics. It's very important to understand who your audience is, and that is who is most likely to respond to your ad, and be as detailed as possible with your targeting. With a mismatch, all your effort in creating the ad is wasted on an audience who has little to no interest in what you offer. Third one is the wrong ad delivery optimization and bidding strategy. You should never spend more than your budget. For this, you need to choose the right ad delivery optimization and bidding strategy for your business goals. So for example, if you are running campaign for app installation and you have selected link clicks bidding strategy, which would not be perfect suited for your goals, so we have to use app install bidding strategy. Avoid using the incorrect ad delivery optimization and bidding strategy going forward. The fourth one is neglecting to refresh creatives. Users quickly grow tired of seeing the same ad creative over and over. Your campaigns are far more likely to perform well if you refresh creatives at least every 2 weeks. It may take some time, but it helps prevent ad fatigue, which happens when your audience start ignoring your ads after seeing it too many times. When you have the ad fatigue, you will see rise in cost and a significant drop in frequency, conversions, and the return on investment from the campaigns. The fifth point is no split A/B testing in the ads. If you don't A/B test, you will receive discouraging results. A/B testing is practice of exchanging different elements of your ad to see which version performs best. You can test call to action button against call to action, image against image, copy against copy, and targeting against targeting. For example, an A/B test might reveal that one image helps your ad perform better than the other, or you may find a shop now call to action perform better than a learn more call to action. You would be surprised at what you can learn from a simple A/B test. The more you test, the more you can find the perfect ideal Facebook ad for your campaigns. So if you follow these things, you will be able to stop making silly mistakes for the Facebook ads, and then you should be able to get better ROI going forward, so as your targeting will be improved a lot, and you will be showing the ads to only those visitors who showed an interest for your products online on Facebook. So if you have any PPC campaigns running in the similar niche, or for that matter in any niche, please do contact us for the free audit. The audit will be free of cost, and then we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. On the other side of things, if you don't have any PPC campaigns running, then please share with us some basic information like the website URL, location targeting, monthly budget. Then we can look at it, and then we'll be able to let you know what you can do to maximize the ROI sales online.